right, another episode of Tia's Kitchen, and we have dessert this time. What is going on here?
Yes, this is a pie pan, of course, but a can of peaches.
Okay.
Which is 30 ounce.
All right.
And I didn't have any pie crust.
All right.
So this is Ancient Mama Complete Pancake Mix.
All right. Okay.
So you take a cup of this.
Okay.
And you take a cup of sugar of
right.
your choice, Domino, whatever, generic. I go for the generic. I like Great Value.
Okay.
So, and then you take a little bit of nutmeg and some ground cinnamon.
Mm-hmm.
And I have a little bit of vanilla flavor.
Okay.
So you pour the peaches in the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
You take a little bit of vanilla flavor, put that in with the wet, which is the peaches. Then you pre-mix the pancake mix and the sugar in a bowl. Okay. Scoop that on top, and then take some butter. I love butter. That's all I use. And you put that on top, and I sprinkle it with a ground cinnamon and a little bit of nutmeg. Okay. And put it in the oven on 350 and bake for about an hour.
All right. Well, we're gonna wait and see what that after that hour is up and see what we got. All right. All right, it's pie time. Let's see what the pie is going to look like. Oh, look at that peach cobbler. Man, it is sizzling. You see that? Ooh-wee. All that cinnamon and stuff. We're going to wait till this cool off, right?
Yes, indeed.
And we are going to have a taste.
Yes.
Check it out. Peach cobbler. Oh boy. It is done. Taste test time.
So they got me saying wow.
Mm-hmm.